Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This isn't my garage. I have two projects that I'm about to start working on. I started 4 days ago working on a Nissan Hardbody 91, and I bought another Hardbody, a 1992, working on two projects. I'm actually working on the 91 first. I started with taking off the bed and took it from there. Well, here's the bed. It actually has a lot of rust, as you can see. I'm planning to change out the bottom of the bed and weld the 16 gauge sheet metal on top. So I'll be replacing that on the bed. Of course, it's not going to be an easy task. It has a great body. I'm gonna go ahead and shave the door on the gas tank. Also lowering the truck. This job is gonna be pretty long. Like I said, I started only 4 days ago. All right, guys. So this is the truck. This is the 91 Nissan Hardbody that I'm working on. This truck has a lot of rust on the frame. I actually started using a wire brush on the angle grinder. As you can see, I've been literally on it. I'm also working on the axle. As you can see, there's still rust on the drive shaft and the front part of the axle. The leaf springs also have rust. The leaf springs over here on the driver's side I already had done. I'm replacing the bushings. As I was saying before, I'm also doing a drop. I'm doing a lowering of this truck. I already cut the shackles. I made my own template. I actually made my own template. I'm using 3/4 bolts, 8.8 grade. As you see, this was all rust. It's extremely rusty. I'm gonna tell you what. I'm doing a gas tank relocation. I'm actually putting it on the bed of the truck. I'm doing a lot. I'm gonna show you the wire brush that I've been using. I've been using this wire brush right here. If you look, it's heavy duty. I actually bought this at Lowe's for less than 20 bucks. I have another wire brush somewhere in this toolbox. Let me see if I can show you. And this is the second one I've been using. I've been using that for the wide surfaces, and I've been using this one for tight corners. I did the drums. Show you guys the drums. I wish I would have did it before and after, but all this whole drum was full of rust. It was just awful. But like I said, I have more videos up to date on this project. I'll most definitely will keep you guys up to date. But this is the project I'm working on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do Rust-Oleum on the frame, on the axle, on the drive shaft, on the drums, on the leaf springs. The lowering blocks, I'm also doing Rust-Oleum on it. Of course, where I live at, the trucks and cars really don't rust here. This truck came from North Carolina. So any vehicles that are up north, during the wintertime, they throw salt all over the roads and stuff, and it accumulates under the vehicle, eating away the metal. So that's why there's a lot of rust on this truck. But there she is, 1991. Like I said, I'll continue on adding videos, showing you guys what I'm doing. I will post up more videos and update you on the project and let you know what I'm doing. I will do a video on how I'm doing this project. Of course, I got ahead of myself on this video because I didn't think I was going to do it, but I wanted to share with a lot of guys that have Nissans and want to do projects like this, basically on this vehicle or any vehicle. So if you like, hit the video, hit the like button on the video, and hit the subscribe button, and get your notifications on your next upcoming video that I'll post up. For right now, this isn't my garage. It really isn't.